Hey, it's Jenna here from Sip Bite Go, and today I'm going to show you how to make whipped ricotta crostini. These are basically one of the easiest appetizers that you can make ahead and assemble right when you're ready to serve. So let's get started making these ricotta toasts. The first step is to make the really tasty and somewhat sweet salsa. It's made with red peppers, onions, and corn. The colors look so cute on the ricotta crostini, and it takes just a few minutes to whip up on the stove. So once that's done, you can set the salsa aside and prepare the baguette slices. I like to get the baguettes pre-sliced at the bakery so it's easier to cook them all evenly. There's a really simple garlic marinade that goes on top of the toast. It's just garlic, salt, and pepper mixed together and then drizzled on top of the crostini. These go in the oven for just a few minutes at 425 degrees. The next step to the whipped ricotta crostini is to whip the ricotta. So you start using a whole milk ricotta, and this is really easy to do in the food processor or with a handheld blender. You just go for about 1 to 2 minutes mixing it together and it becomes really creamy and lush. Then you add in the fresh basil so it's brightened up the flavor and you're ready to assemble the crostini. This is the fun part. To assemble the crostini, take the freshly baked garlic toast and apply a smear of the ricotta that you just whipped on top. Then add a heaping tablespoon of the roasted red pepper and corn salsa. I like to drizzle a little balsamic glaze on top of the toast because it looks really pretty and adds a really deep flavor. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe for cooking up some ricotta toasts for your next appetizer. Follow sipbitego.com for more recipes. Cheers!